Vivo has begun teasing for the X Fold 6 and confirmed the upcoming foldable will debut with a new OriginOS Fold software. The company claims the update will introduce a new AI-powered productivity multitasking features. Vivo has offered a close look of the software to a new hands-on video. The video shared on Vivo highlights the multitasking capabilities of OriginOS 6 Fold running Vivo X Fold 6. According to Vivo, it will introduce a new feature known as parallel mode, which allows you to run 4 apps simultaneously on a single screen. The company claims all 4 apps remain active in the windowed form and can run in the foreground at the same time. Vivo claims it's completely redesigned the underlying framework of the OriginOS 6 Fold to ensure that 4 apps can run concurrently without compromising performance or smoothness. The video demonstrated Vivo X Fold 6 running 4 AI assistants simultaneously through Atomic Workbench. Not sure why would anybody use 4 AI chatbots running at the same time, but OriginOS 6 Fold can do this. This feature can also be used with regular apps, enabling users to juggle several workflows simultaneously and become productivity champion. The X Fold 6 is rumored to have an 8-inch in-ear display, 6.51-inch cover screen, and 6900 mAh battery, powered with Dimensity 9500 chipset, and could be unveiled later this month.